Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can zoom in on Reels on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, this is a bit tricky simply because sometimes this feature works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure what it's dependent on. It might be because Instagram is rolling out different features to different users, because I know some people can use Zoom on one account and they can't on another. This is pretty much an Instagram, or in general a meta strategy to best figure out which changes to implement and which changes fit Instagram best. So you might be in luck, you might be out of luck, so it depends on your account pretty much. But if you want to zoom in, you just need to go into the Reels, find a reel, and then pinch and just, well, not pinch, but take your fingers together and stretch the image, and it should zoom in pretty much just like any other image. However, as you can see, for me it's not possible. It either floats it down or scrolls up. And in that case, what you can do, you can try reinstalling Instagram completely. Just remove it from your device, reinstall it, and log back in. Or alternatively, you can go into your device settings, go into apps and find Instagram, then go into storage, and you can clear cache and clear the data. If you clear the data, that'll pretty much just set it to what it was originally when you downloaded. This might be an easier fix than reinstalling it. However, I'm not sure if it's as complete a fix as completely reinstalling it is. I won't be doing this since I don't want to be logged out of my account, but pretty much, yeah, you just need to go ahead, go into your Reels and try and zoom in through the same method as as any other sort of video or image viewing app. And if it doesn't work, then you're gonna need to either try a new account or reinstall Instagram. However, even when people reinstall, after a couple of minutes, it just goes back. And even if it did work after the reinstall, it just goes back to not working. So I'm really not sure what's happening, but it is a very widespread problem. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.